Virginia bluebells are a spring wildflower with delicate blue lavender-shaped flowers, and they are found in moist woodlands, meadows, and along streams in eastern North America, blooming from April to May with a height of about 6 to 12 inches. The flowers are food for bees and other pollinators, and all parts of the plants are talked to human beings. The Virginia bluebell is a state flower of Virginia. Also known as Quaker ladies, Virginia bluebells are herbaceous perennials native to eastern North America, known for their beautiful bell-shaped blue flowers that appear in early to mid-spring. The flowers start out as pink and then open to a lovely shade of lavender blue. Virginia bluebells are a great choice for shade gardens. They prefer moist, well-drained soil with a lot of organic material. They also are slow to grow, so be patient. With a little care, Virginia bluebells will reward you with years of enjoyment. They are a favorite food for bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies, and are deer resistant. They're slow to grow, but will eventually form large colonies. They are easy to care for once established, so be patient.